Hi guys, this is just a quick video to show you what you can expect when I come to measure these coils. So it's going to be a little bit different. It won't be completely automated for correction, but I will be able to tell you how the two legs relate to each other. So when we measure this part, we can use what's called an assembly control where, for example, I can turn off the coil for measurement and I can say, okay, measure end 1 alone and then measure end 2 alone. And we have the measured for both of these, and then we perform an alignment where we're aligning both of these to their perfect master part. And so you're basically aligning two legs, and we can, for example, I can say we're going to lock in leg 1 and align it perfectly and see where leg 2 ends up, and then we can try then at that point to adjust the benders in order to bring the second leg into a better position, which is what I would probably do in this situation. But it's going to be manual because it's coil, right? So that's how we're going to qualify this. We're going to basically try to qualify it based on where these legs end up. And that to me is the most important thing in these coils. It's not so much the shape of the coils. If you want to qualify that, we can to a point. And so what I can do with that is I can qualify this as a cylinder. So if you, for example, let me just turn this on for you. We'll just turn some of this on. You can see it right away. Basically what I do is I can measure this as a cylinder itself so we can see how well the vector lines up here in the coil, but I don't think that's going to be the main goal, right? There's a lot of play, in my opinion, in a coil center line. If you want to know the width from here to here, for example, I think that's a really important metric, right? To measure that. If you want to get to the pitch, I mean, we can measure that as well. Those things will be easy to measure with a caliper or with a measuring center, either way. What would be harder to measure with a caliper would be the relationship of this leg to that leg, and that's something VTube will get to really fast. And then, of course, I don't expect that this leg, the leg at the other end, will end up in the right place the first time through. And so then we'll have to start tweaking the bender somehow. I hope we can do that in order to bring the other leg at the other end into a good position, at least within a certain tolerance, whatever that, profile tolerance of the second leg would be. So I wanted to make sure that you saw that because I wanted to, set our expectations for what we're going to be doing. This will be the main thing VTube can measure here. The relationship of these two legs to each other, and then of course perform adjustments. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks guys. Bye.